What is inspired craftsmanship? It starts with an obsession for the best materials and finishes and evolves into a search for innovation. It's skill, precision, and an attention to detail matched by a drive to pursue perfection. It's an uncompromising commitment to a level of quality that is unto itself an entirely separate category. In a world of mass production and conformity, inspired craftsmanship is the art of learning and building on the tradition and knowledge of those that came before to improve and make something new. Channeling that inspiration and manifesting it into something that's one of a kind. As unique and tailored as your fingerprint. That's what makes our cabinetry different. Are you ready?